wake up in the morning, brush my teeth and grab my rod. Like I'm bringing home some fish and we gon' cook 'em in a pot. I go from lake to lake, I don't be looking at the clock. But if I'm out there too long, then my wife is gon' say stop. This is a real life, yeah. Baby, welcome to the real life, yeah, yeah. This is the real life, yeah. Baby, welcome to the real life, yeah.
What's up?
Thank y'all. This is going to be a real quick video, okay? I know that title is a little misleading because this is actually from some friends of ours. I mean, they started off as subscribers, but they're definitely family.
Yeah, thank you.
Now and friends. But this is our first package from a subscriber.
We appreciate y'all. You know who y'all are.
Yeah, and we're excited because we think we know what this is.
Yeah.
But we mentioned this one time on Alive.
Right.
And yeah.
Yeah.
So, babe, you want to do the honors?
Yeah, absolutely. And we appreciate them. We appreciate them so much because we didn't know. We was out on live this morning and got the notification, and the next thing you know, I see my baby. She started looking like she was getting teary-eyed, and I'm like, what, somebody said something? You know, sometimes you got trolls on your page, and I was shocked. I'm like, what happened?
Well, you did too when I told you what it was.
But your eyes got a little extra juicy.
Yours got extra juicy.
All she had to do was blink, and them things would have been like.
So that means that I was really, really touched.
Yes.
Humble and very, 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 very appreciative.
Definitely appreciative because what they got us was something I wasn't even expecting. But here it is. You got it?
You got it. Go ahead.
Here you go. Go ahead.
Oh, heavy too.
It's very heavy.
But look, y'all.
Look at that.
Battery packs.
We've been. Look at Pooh.
Pooh thinking something for her.
Remy, come here. Get over here. Come here.
Yeah. And I think this was a setup gift.
Yes.
Because now they want us to be on live for 7-8 hours. So now we have no excuses.
To at least try to go 7 to 8 hours because our phones keep dying at a certain time when we out. So I guess they say
so this
no
is going to
excuses.
come in handy when we're out on location fishing and we hop on live and we got some batteries.
We appreciate you a million times over, family. We love and appreciate what y'all do. You've been supporting since day one of this show.
Yeah. These two individuals, well, it started off with the husband.
Yeah, the husband.
OG. We only been creating content for 5 months, but he's been there since almost day one.
Yes.
And then his lovely wife joined, and they're both mods on our channel. They hold the chat down. We thank them so much. Yeah. So we appreciate it. Yeah, I'm speechless. I'm going to go ahead and end this video before I start fumbling over my words. Yeah. And before those tears get the building up in my... right. So thank y'all. And we'll see y'all on the next video.
Yes. Appreciate you.